YouTube family, what's good with you? It's your boy 2A-N-LA, and as always fam, anything I say in this episode, prior episodes, and future episodes, it's just my personal opinion. You shouldn't take it as fact. You shouldn't take it as law. Always do your own homework and come up with your own conclusions. Right about now, fam, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and tap that like button for your boy. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and subscribe. I think you are going to enjoy the content. And if you don't, look, fam, no harm, no foul. You can always unsubscribe later. And if you are an existing supporter of the channel, fam, I appreciate you more than you can possibly imagine. All right, yo. Look, fam, as you can see, your boy is out of the studio. Your boy is out of the studio. And look, fam, when your boy is out of the studio, usually it is one of two things. Either one, I'm on my way to pick up a pickup. You know how your boy gets down. Or two, we have a special day planned, and today is the latter. We have a special day planned. You guys know that I rock with my guys out at Kovert that help me with all my high-end pickups, right? Well, Kovert is having a special range day, invitation only range day, and of course, they invited your boy out. We're going to be shooting a lot of their high-end firearms, so of course, I'm going to bring that content to you, and we'll see. This is their second annual range day. I didn't attend the first one, so I'm really looking forward to getting out to this one. It should be fun. All right, we got a pretty long road. It's about an hour out in Corona at a private range, so we're gonna take the trip, y'all. See you in a few. YouTube family, okay, we are here at the Kovert Range Day invitation only event, very exclusive. They're going to have a lot of beautiful firearms, most of which you can find available at Kovert. And yeah, man, we're just going to take it all in, have a good time. I'm going to bring you some footage of some shooting, as well as some footage of all the beautiful guns and everybody who's out here attending the event. All right, see you in a minute.
Different stations, you'll be able to shoot in each of these 4 stations. If you brought your own weapon today and you want to shoot your own gun, that'll be the last station. 1 shooter on each side of the table. Take your gun from here and load it up on that table on the side, the white table, and then take it over and shoot on that range. No rifles or shooting steel today, only paper, but any of the steel targets in front of these 4 or 3 you'll be able to shoot. So we're gonna go in and sign waivers really quick and come back out. You guys are gonna shoot for like an hour. We'll clean the targets, shoot again for about an hour, and then we're gonna do a finale of all suppressed guns for the end. So we brought a whole bunch of like assault weapons that are all suppressed. You guys can shoot ARs and MP5s and stuff like that for like the big finale.
noises.
Okay, fam, this is probably the Gucciest Glock you're going to ever see. You got the combat precision upper paired with a stout Glock 5, Glock 19. You also have this in a Glock 17 version as well as a Glock 34 version. So check those out pretty soon.
You've got your safety switch here. Mag wells, and you grab it. Grab the bottom. Once you put it in,
Pretty good.
Check it out, fam. Terran Tactical Combat Master Glock 19.
like 2011. This is like a rifle. Super easy to shoot. Like the wife could shoot a like it's super easy.
All right, man, we got the BG Defense Type A 2011. Should be coming to stores near you. Check with my guys over at Kovert.
That one's $5 grand.
You're nice.
It's smooth though.
Terran Tactical Sand Viper.
And also, too, most people unless they're like, what's on it? Seeing that those guns are deals.
Nice.
Okay, fam, out the range. We're about to shoot Terran Tactical AR-15. Check it out.
One of them had a cycling engine fired. I think the Type A this morning.
Did it?
It's pretty zero too, I think. Huh? Yeah, we brought some things. We probably need to lube some. We probably need some lube. I don't know where Charlie's toolbox is.
Awesome. So go to what you want to. They're welcome to shoot on a field. Good job. What do you want to say?
Look, it's all popping out here at the range day for Kovert. So you guys see we got some beautiful firearms. I don't know, fam, if I had to guess about the dollar amount that's at the 1, 2, 3, 4 stations that are here, I would say you're probably looking at about 15 to 20,000, if not more, per station. So well over $100,000 worth of firearms out here, and fam, it is an experience like no other.